Hey, good morning guys, it's Brad with Bolo Pickers. Today's video is going to be what sold on Sunday and Monday. It is Tuesday morning. So we're going to show you what sold in the past few days, so stay with us. Hey guys, it's Brad. I just want to make sure that if you've seen our videos and you like what you're seeing, that you've hit the subscribe button. That way you can see our new videos as they come out. I upload pretty much daily, sometimes every other day, and subscribing is a good way to make sure you stay up on what's selling on eBay. That's going to be what we're talking about today. Today is Tuesday, so this part of the video is going to be what sold yesterday on Monday. And I'll have to double check the smaller account. I don't think we had anything come through on that side. I know we had one Amazon order. We sold that puzzle. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We had 9 items sell and only 6 have paid. So people have been slow on the pay button lately. You've probably heard me talk about it in the videos, but that's all right. We'll ship what we've got paid for as of right now, and we'll go ahead and show you guys that stuff. So box 31 has a 1951 Lakeside Classics Truth About Geronimo. This is an R.R. Donnelley book. In one of my prior videos, there was a set that sold, and here is this. So we sold a pretty good set. This is the Truth About Geronimo. It's from 1951. This is the Lakeside Press. If you see these books, they're usually worth a little bit. This sold for $8 plus the buyer paid shipping. So not a bad deal there. That was a free item. We got that through our bookstore and donations into the bookstore. The next item up is a CD. And man, I have had these CDs forever. And we finally sold our first one. This sold for $5.99 plus shipping. Excuse me. $5.99 plus shipping, and I want to make sure that it's in the right spot. Alright, well, I know where they're at, and they're right here in front of me, and they're right here. So this is Enigma, and this has got the crack on it. I've got one that's cracked listed, and then the other 4, this being 1, so now we have 3 left, sold. So that sold for $5.99 plus the buyer paid shipping. When I do CDs, if you've seen my videos before, I'll wrap them in some cardboard that we have lying around. And usually you just fold it over and then slide it into a bubble mailer like that. This may not be the right piece because it's got some holes in it, but we'll see. But that's the cheapest, easiest way to protect your CDs and make sure that they get there without cracked cases. Well, we just had another buyer pay, so we're going to add another item on. Whiskey glasses. So these, I know that we paid less than $1 each for, and there's 2 of these that have been sold, and if you see, I shake them because some of them got broke when they got shipped. That one is definitely rattling, so we're going to throw that one away. But I usually pull them out and I inspect them to make sure that they don't have any damage. This buyer bought 2 of them. They paid $28.50 for both, and free shipping on those. So I've got those listed at $14.99 a piece, but they can get a 10% discount if they order 2, a 20% discount if they order 3, or 15% discount if they order 3, and a 20% discount if they order 4. And those have been selling pretty well. We're selling one pretty much every day right now at a minimum. And like I said, they paid $28.50 plus free shipping. And the shipping on that, it fits into one little box. We wrap it in bubble wrap and send it on its way. And it ships for about $7 to $8. Next item up for me is rare. It's clothing. I don't sell a ton of clothing, but we do have a... let's see here. Where the heck is it? This one doesn't have a bin either. I think it's right down here, though. I think I see it. I believe it's this. Yep, it's a Lacoste. I'm not really quite sure. It's a green shirt. I'm going to show it to you on the camera here. Let me click in so I can see, make sure. Right there is what it looks like. It's a vintage one. This sold for $13 with free shipping. I'll seal this bag up and then we'll put it in a poly bag and just ship it just like that. It's probably gonna be about $3 or $4 to ship that out. So a pretty easy sale there. Next item up is a smaller item, not worth a ton, but it was free to us, BS1B1. This is a Dr. Scholl's massaging gel fit inserts. This sold for $8.90 plus free shipping. This is probably going to go out at the $4 rate or less, probably closer to $3.50. And we'll just slide that into a bubble mailer and send it on its way. Someone just gave us that. I'm not quite sure why, but we got it, so it's free, and we made $3 or $4 off of it. My wife found these next items, and they're really cool. They're these little T-Rex or dinosaur salt and pepper shakers with gold bows. These sold for $15, and then the buyer paid shipping, and these are really cool. So I'm going to show you just a little bit more. So you get your salt shaker and your pepper shaker, and they look like little dinosaurs. Pretty cool. We paid 69 cents a piece for those, so we had $1.40 in, with the tax maybe $1.50, and they sold for $15, and then the buyer paid shipping. So what I'll do with those is I will bubble wrap those, and then I'll put them into a box with some of the packing peanuts that you see down there to make sure they get there safely for our customer. Box 13 has our second to last item here. It's actually our last item on eBay, because we're going to go over to Amazon, and this is a Perfect Pod Eco Carafe coffee filter. It's for like a K-cup, but I think it's for the bigger size. These we paid less than $1 for, and I believe we have multiples. Yeah, we got a couple of them in there. And see, it's to make a whole pot of coffee with the brew a carafe of your favorite coffee. $9 free shipping. It's going to cost about $3 to ship out. It's super light. And we paid less than $1 for them. I'm not quite even sure if we paid $1 for them, to be honest with you. Well, I can't get this box back in, so let's do this. There we go. All right, and I believe that's it on the eBay side of things. If we have anything else come in, I'll jump in here at the end of the video and I'll add them on. But we did sell another puzzle. This one sold. We sold one yesterday, we sold one today. We're all out of puzzles, with the exception, I think, of one that we have on eBay. And this guy sold for $25.99, and then Amazon reimburses us about $4 in shipping. Costs about $7 to ship it out, so we'll send that out today as well. So that is what sold for Monday. Not a bad day, nothing great, staying steady. And today we're going to go through and list some of the stuff that we've got ready to go, and we'll go from there. So stay safe out there, everybody. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.